Hello everyone, welcome to our Thoughts and Education program by College Dunia. I have with me Dr. Vishnubhai Patel, Principal of Shree Swaminarayan Sanskar Pharmacy College. Sir, I welcome you to our program.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, for this I would like to ask you some question. So sir, beginning with, what is the rate of admission in your college? Has it increased from the last year?
Yes, sir. Our college is well reputed in Gujarat and in India also. We are getting full strength of our admission. Last year our admission were full and all seats were full. There is no any vacant seat. This is due to our quality education. We are taking care for the student at all level. We have a counseling cell for their presence and regularity. We have good infrastructure at our college. All instruments are working. We have even high level, sophisticated instrument that is for research purpose also. Students are doing good. We are giving good projects and all students are better. So due to these basic concepts and due to these facilities and infrastructure, always we get good admission and there is no any seat remain vacant. Last 3 years, our admissions were full at all level. So this is our appreciation from society, and our college is well accepted in the market for getting the admission for the students. And parents are putting faith in our college for the better education for their children. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sir, moving to our next question, have you introduced any new programs at your college? Sir, can you please give us brief highlight of the same?
Yes, sir. Our college established in the year 2005. In those days, we started B.Pharm course with the intake of 60. After this, intake was increased with the guidelines of the governments and the PCI. And our seats for the B.Pharm courses intake is 100. Also, we introduced M.Pharm courses in 2 branches for the pharmaceutics and pharma quality assurance. Also, our admissions are full for these 2 branches. So we have good reputation around this. And looking to the forward that the new facilities and new markets and what you can say demand of the society and in the field of pharmacy. Last year we applied for the 2 new additional courses, Pharm D and Diploma in Pharmacy. So we put efforts, our Param Pujya Swamiji, Managing Trustee of our college, also put efforts. All staff members took interest. Our Honorary Director Dr. M.M. Patel sir, our advisor Dr. B.N. Suhagya sir, all took interest and we focused to start the new courses, Pharm D and Diploma. And we got for these 2 courses the approval from the governments. Our university, Gujarat Technological University in Ahmedabad, and from the central body, Pharmacy Council of India, we got the approvals to start these new courses. So we are going to admit this years for these 2 courses, the admissions and students for these 2 new courses. And we are looking forward that we are going to give a good education for these 2 courses. So it benefits for the society and that supply that satisfy the demand of the market and demand of the society and demand of the professor. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sir, moving to our next question, can you give us a brief review about placement in your college?
Our college is well reputed. We are routinely keeping the placement and we invite the different industry to place our students for giving opportunity to the student for their jobs. Also, our university is centrally organizing the placement fair. So our student taking part in this placement fair, and our students, most of students are well placed, and we have that way planning that our students should get the benefits and they should be well placed. They get good opportunity, good jobs and all. Our survey says that most of our students are well absorbed Our university also taking care for their jobs and placement. So that is good things from our side, and in the profession that university will also taking care for the student job. Also routinely we give the message to the students that the job opportunity is this, placement is this, and vacancy that is well announced for the students. So in short, that most of our students are not jobless. All have a good jobs and all are doing well. And looking to the salary wise, they have good packages and they are getting good offers also in different universities. Our students are well placed in the field, in the industries. And generally, the fresh students after B.Pharm or M.Pharm, after B.Pharm they are getting roughly 10 to 15,000 salary per month, and after M.Pharm 20 to 25,000. And highest offers they are getting mostly around 40,000, 50 fresh candidates. And then promotions and all our chances are there, and they are doing good jobs in their field. And most of around past students are in good salary at present. Those who completed their B.Pharm, M.Pharm the last 5 years or 10 years, more than 1 lakh rupees salary they are getting all over in India. And our students also got the opportunities abroad also. And our students are well placed in abroad, in the industry as well in the clinical pharmacy field also.
Sir, moving to our next question, being the principal of SSPC, what is your philosophy of leadership? How would you describe your leadership style?
So being a principal, I have led all the staff. I have to direct all the staff members for their proper output, their proper work, for their teaching, for their research and all. So at all level I am taking care. So I observed the students and teachers' capacity. So first we have to see the teachers that what is their output, where their lacuna is there, their limitations, shortcomings that we find and we guide them. And particularly I guide them personally also. From student level to teachers and head of departments, I took care and I am going to take care, and generally I take the care that I invite their suggestions, problems and other difficulties during teaching, during handling the instrument, during doing the research work, during guiding the research students, because at all level we take care and we guide the teachers. So that is the individual case also I am handling. I invite individual teachers, individual students for their problems. So first I take the reports of the problems. I critically observe it and find out the solution, and then I implement that way. Also like presence, we implemented counseling cell. So for 20 students, a teacher is there. He or she takes care for the students for presence, and we have the cumulative efforts and cumulative marking system that from semester 1, semester 2, 3 up to 8. So one teacher behind them. So teacher knows that in semester 1 student is failing in this subject or not doing well, then we are taking care. Or semester 1 result is good and in semester 2 result is not good. What are the reasons? And we inform the parents. We call the parents also for giving some information of their children for the upliftments or the betterments of the students. And this is the strategy. One by one, we are taking care. And most of the things that I am doing from morning to evening, we see that what are the problems, and at the end, all problems should be solved. And somewhere we are informing the management for the supports, for the facilities and all these things. And we are doing well. And I am leading the staff and in a proper way. And that way that we are find the results, and all teachers by heart they are working in our college.
So sir, moving to our last question, with the competition so high, how do you guide your students to survive in such a competitive scenario?
So nowadays numbers of colleges are there in Gujarat and over the India for the pharmacy courses. So we have to compete the surrounding as well as the national level and state level. So looking to other colleges, we are doing well in such a way that we have good infrastructure. We are doing maintenance also for all the instruments. We are taking care for the practical classes, theory classes, and we guide the students individually as well as in the mass. Always I take care, I visit the students in the classroom, I ask that question and I guide that during this competition you have to learn very well. You have to not just what questions are asked in the question paper that you have to. And always we try to give the basic knowledge and practical knowledge so student can survive longer way. So we try to match our scenario and work. That is what is the industry demand, what is the demand in the field, and we guide the student in such a way. If you do this work, also we guide the students for their survival, for the other competitive exams like our GPET exam, all India level, like others exams for the IPS, IAS, and all other courses. And that way, how the opportunity you can avail and how you can push up your knowledge in the or convert into the opportunity. So that is practically how to see and get the job in a better way. That way we are looking forward and we are giving the ideas to the students.
Okay, sir, that's all from my side. Thank you, sir, for giving us your valuable time and sharing your knowledge with us. I am sure this would help students coming to our website. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.